Just 2 products, $30 total, a $20 head strap, and a $10 face pad kit, have truly changed the comfort of my Oculus Quest VR2 and my overall experience with it. The links to buy these will be in the description and comment section if you're interested. The first product here replaces this weak headband with a quality one that's not only very comfortable, but also easy to adjust using the dial on the back. Simply pop off the old one, slide on the new one, and just like that, say goodbye to having it slip down your face while you aggressively hit colored boxes. The second product, while not as big an upgrade as the headband, is an amazing upgrade from the original face pad. This kit comes with 2 new face pads, one that has more of a fabric texture while the other has a smoother texture closer to the original one. Also with this kit, you get a new plastic connector that supposedly makes it more breathable while also reducing the light leakage more effectively. When you take a quick look at the thickness difference in these 2 pads, it becomes very obvious why I no longer get a large ring around my eyes when I've been playing for a long time.